Okay, so we have removed the lower ball joint nut here and the upper nut here, as well as your castle nut on the end of the CV shaft. So what you want to do now is just tap this down with a hammer here. Also remove the brake line bolt here, which is an 8mm. Move your brake line and tap this down as well. This will allow your CV shaft to slide out of the spline hub. Alright, now on your front differential, use a pry bar or a straight screwdriver in between the differential here to just help slide your CV shaft out of the front differential. There's a C-clip in there that is holding the splines in. And once you have that started, it should come right out. Okay, now under the machine, this is the rear of the front differential. There's a pin with a small C-clip originally through here. We have replaced this with a bolt and a lock nut. The force of the front differential will bend the pin in there, made out of a little weak steel. So we've replaced that bolt. I'll remove this bolt. This shaft will be able to move back, but we will also want to take out the differential bolts here and here, and then that will allow this differential to slide up forward up in this area and allow this to have enough room to pop off of your splines. So we will now do that. Alright, so the bolts are removed from the front and back side, as well as our drive shaft pin, or in our case a bolt, which will allow this differential to be able to move. So we want to kind of position this up in there, and as you can see, our shaft is already coming off. I'll set the camera down here and show you. Okay, just like that. Alright, now you have your speed sensor on your front differential right here. Follow this harness up. Which is the brown, yellow, green, and blue harness here. You just need to unplug this by pushing in the clip and removing it apart. Be careful, these wires are fragile, as this is your speed sensor. Okay. Alright, now the differential will tip to the passenger side and the back end will be the end that comes out first. So we'll now take that out. Okay, this is the differential removed. Also forgot to mention you need to unplug. This is your four-wheel drive, which drives your armature motor. This is right at the back. Passenger side frame here, and it should be loomed right in this loom here. So same thing, 2-wire plug to push the pin and release. Alright, differential is out.